Born in 1990 with a 44,000 square foot casino and 424 suites near the Las Vegas Strip, with a Brazilian theme after the Rio Carnival. The first all-suite casino here in Las Vegas. Rio was glorious as it expanded to a 20-story Ipanema Tower and later on added a 2-story retail and restaurant masquerade village with a 40-story masquerade tower. Bought by Caesars in 1999 and then sold again to Dreamscape at the value of $516 million. In partnership with Hyatt, the plan is to renovate and update Rio, starting with the Ipanema Tower. Today, we will check out a newly renovated room with the strip view. Pool just opened too, so we will check that out. There's a new food hall and I can't wait to try it out. We'll go around the vicinity and check all of Rio. Then we will bet $100 and see if we could have a nice dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. Rio is off the strip, but does it give a Las Vegas experience? We'll find out, and off we go. Okay.
So just on the other side of the construction area, straight behind you, you'll see Starbucks to the right side.
Okay, and this is the strip view, right?
Let me double check if it's a strip view.
I did book for a strip view and renovated room.
It is no wait, this is a mountain view.
It's 2 p.m. right now. I just arrived here at Rio and I quickly checked in. It was pretty fast checking in by yourself. There was quite a confusion there, but it's okay. She handled it well. And now I am going to the Ipanema Tower. This is a renovated room with a strip view. We'll see how it looks like. Well, no one's really in there, so I'll bypass that. Upon checking in, I asked for water and they gave me water. Is that a thing in Vegas? We are at the corner suite. I got in the room, placed my bag. I haven't fully checked it. Let's check out our room. Hello! When you enter, it's a tiny hallway. I kind of like it because it gives like a suspense before entering the room. Right here's a mirror, not full length. And there's a box here. I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. It's nothing. Once you've passed the tiny hallway, there is a full frame mirror here. Very nice. I like this wooden style. And then you have your living room. It's pretty cool. A marble table. Yeah, it's not that heavy. Here you can sit and just relax. And the sleeve is kind of part of an Ipanema vibes. I get it. Good times, Rio. There is a table here, cabinet of some sort, and then okay, empty, no treasures. We have here the refrigerator, nothing in here. Oh, okay, I think this will be the sensor type. Another door here. Okay, this is where you keep your stuff. Not much space where you keep your stuff, but it's bigger than other hotels. Once you've passed your living room, of course, you have the bed. You can see it right here. And we shall have a bed test. Here we come. This bed is good. I can sleep here. And you have this little pillow. I don't know how much this is washed, so I'll put it aside. Sorry. The pillow is, there's barely there. Smell test. Not bad. And this lamp is pretty cool. This is an easy one. I like it. You have your clock here. It's 2:17 right now. I'm getting hungry. We should get some food soon. And some drawers. Hidden treasures? No hidden treasure. Before we check out the view, let's go first and see the loo. It's quite spacious here. It's not his and hers, but it's pretty nice. I like the color. We went with the theme that is bronze. I really feel like I'm on a vacation somewhere near the ocean. By the way, I've been to the actual Ipanema. Dining in the Carlo Jobim restaurant. If you don't know Carlo Jobim, it's that guy who sang tall and young and long and lovely.
Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema.
I have the body cream. Let's smell it. Not bad. It actually smells good. There's pink thing. Is that lipstick? I don't want to wipe it. Okay, actually let's wipe it. Sorry, that was a kind of a design on top. Unwipeable. I don't know, it's not lipstick, but it's okay. We can deal with that. And here, cottons, but no buds. And here you have a must in every restroom for the ladies so they can see well. Hair dryer right here at the back. I like this design. Here we have a cabinet. Let's just say it's interesting. You have the locker here. I don't know if I want to trust it. Not sure. Not working. Drawers, 4 of them, no special treasures. Let's check out the cabinet right now. Okay, so I already put my stuff ready for the day and night. I do have a luggage tray, which is awesome. Ironing board. Perfect. This is actually a large cabinet. Now let's check out the other side of the door. This is where the lavatory is. You don't need to go out to wash your hands. Perfect. I like it. Soap. You have a body cream again, which smells good. You have another mirror here. And then you have the lavatory. Assorted towels over there. This is the shower room. It's strong. A set of toiletries here. It's time to check out the view. Let's go. I actually love it. Right there you have the Strat, you have Resorts World, Conrad, Fontainebleau is right there too, Anchor Wynn, Treasure Island, Mirage. At the back of that is the Venetian, and you have Harrah's right there. And down below you can also see the pool. The pool is ready. We're gonna go there after. At the center you have Link, Caesar's Palace, Flamingo, and then Rio. Oops, that's us. But in another tower, New York, I could actually see the roller coaster right there. And yeah, until the end, Mandalay Bay right at the end, you have a great view of the Strip right here. We only have the 7th floor. It's not a high floor, but if you're willing to spend the dough or ask for a special request to get the higher floor, I highly suggest it. It's not my first time to stay at Rio, but it wasn't renovated before. I remember it to be so cheap, but our suite was huge, even bigger than this. But it was just so dilapidated that I didn't want to stay here again. And I know it's like out of bounds from the Strip. But now that I can see the beauty of Rio, because you actually can see the whole vast of the Strip, which is nice. I didn't know that the pool is ready. So we're gonna go there right now. How come no one's here?
It's not open.
Oh, why?
They haven't opened it.
It kind of like slowly graduates
Okay.
to like 4 feet, and it'll have waterfalls, but it's not open right now.
When did you guys open?
I think I don't even know, because I just started working here last week.
Okay, congratulations. What's the difference between this pool and that pool?
This one's really cold right now. Yeah, so everybody likes that one much better because that one's warm.
Is it that bad?
It's quite cold.
What?
Oh, there's a toad!
We are about to test the pool right now if it's good. Can I try? It's a perfect weather. I think it's about 67 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It's sunny, it's nice. Test it. Oh, it's warm. Okay, it's warm. The water is heated. That's why everyone's here. She's right about that. Let's go up and try the other pool. Now we're about to find out this pool.
Yeah, it's cold, girl.
She's gonna go. She did. Oh, she likes it. No, not really. Just for the photos. She did jump. Oh! Woo! One more step. No. I'm hungry. Let's go eat. I know they have a new food hall, and I'm excited to see that. This is the Canteen Food Hall. Hi, I'd like to have some Philly cheesesteak.
That's cute. And your name?
Babe.
Babe, you smell nice today.
Thank you. 100 plus choices. Okay, what are we getting? I want ginger ale, cherry. I want to mix it with this one, then lime. Oh boy, it looks nasty. Hard choice, but Tony Looks was right in front, looking at me, telling me, you want Philly cheesesteak. The bread is toasted perfectly. This is so good. I think I can finish it. It's probably the cheapest meal I've eaten in Vegas. $13. This sandwich. And this is, my goodness, $5. Why Vegas? Why? Yep, I actually finished it. I want to see the whole Rio. We are at the Ipanema court right now. And I heard the Masquerade Village is pretty.
Hopefully it wins something this time.
Let's go! Come on, 11 spins! Woo! Wild! Up. Where's the wine cellar? Oh, it's open. What? What is this place?
Hi.
It's so cold.
Yeah, you're not supposed to be in here.
Oh.
It's closed.
What do you mean? It's closed forever?
Forever. Yeah.
Oh.
For now, for sure.
What? It says wine cellar downstairs.
Yeah, that's closed as well until nighttime. It'll open up at night.
Oh. Okay, thank you so much. Well, at least I'm on the second floor now and we'll check out the second floor. Here at the Masquerade Village. Got Wetzel's Pretzels here. It's open if you want a snack. Got Chippendales right here. Are you ready to party? Yep, and they're still showing. Smash Burger, Rock and Roll Chapel. Wow, let's take a peep. Whoa, it's pretty cool. Okay, look at these shoes. What? This bag is pretty cool. You guys wanna get a tattoo? That's cool. Fortune cookie. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh, okay. I want this in my car. Wow, this is beautiful. The swords are allowed in your checked baggage, but transportation secure. And this one is a gallery. Vodka. The Hangover Hospital. It's $1.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar. I am Zoltar, at your service. Listen closely to my instructions now. Hard work pays off over time, but laziness, it pays off right now.
All you can eat Indian buffet. This is pretty cool. I love it. Look at this. Guy swag. Wow, it's a pretty cool joint. We got Hash House a Go-Go here. I know it's a brekkie place. I learned that from the link. The center. Okay. Okay, people are working. It's decent. I don't know about you, but I need coffee, and the only coffee shop here is Starbucks. So we will go ahead and get some Starbucks, and I actually want some sweets as well. Oh, Starbucks is closed. So sad. This one is closed too.
Yeah, you
okay.
see the cake. You can ask the bartenders for coffee.
We'll get the rainbow cake. Can I play, have coffee, and have my cake?
you're better off to play on the machines out there. I don't like charging that much for sodas and coffee. Alcohol, I don't mind. If you just play and just put some money in the machine and
Okay.
just a little bit, she'll give you a couple.
Okay. But can I eat my
Yeah,
cake?
you can eat.
Do you have fork?
I knew you were gonna ask that. I knew you were gonna ask that. I do not.
No fork.
You're gonna have to.
You might be able to go to the food court.
Let's see. Thank you.
Your card is not working there.
I know. Now I can have my cake.
Good luck.
Thank you. Come on. It's not going well for me. It's my third machine. Let's hit it. Spin. Okay, these machines are absolutely killing me. Oh, this place is packing up.
Tickets on the other side of this room called the Wild Box Office.
To get a drink, we're going to the Comedy Cellar because that's one of the bars here that serves drink. And I think it's gonna be fun. I know I lost, but you know, you're only in Vegas once in a while, so we're gonna do it. Cell phones are not allowed inside. Diet Coke and a shot of whiskey, please.
Okay, any particular
What are the choices? Jack?
Okay, Jack Daniels?
The show has started, but I want to show you the bargain of our deal. This is his shot, so I don't think I'm gonna take the whole thing. But I just want to show you that I'm drinking for the night. And we will not drink our sorrows away because this is our holiday. And no one should be sad on our holiday, okay? Woo! This is open right now. Yum! If you like staying in an all-suites room and you want to be in the Las Vegas Strip, I highly recommend that you watch this video. It is the Venetian and you won't regret it. See you next time, and off I go.
Tall